I'm going to show you my automated process for naming visual effects. For the first visual effect in a scene, I add the scene number 014 space dash space. Now let's open the markers window. Then right-click, Export Markers to File, Text. We'll just need this file temporarily, so I'm going to save it to my Downloads folder. Linked in the guide, we'll find a VFX marker auto naming sheet. Let's open it up. Also, open your markers text file that you exported and copy the contents. Then paste it into the sheet. And you'll see the sheet has assigned VFX IDs for your shots. Let me go through the options of the sheet with you. You input your show code here. Your count by is set to 10 by default, but for example, you can also count by 20s if you prefer. If it's a TV show, fill in the episode number, such as 101 for example. Here's an option to use a separator between your show code and the episode number if you so choose. Typically this would be an underscore, but if you don't want one, just leave it blank. If you want to change your marker colors, now's the time to do it. I'm going to switch to green just so you can see a quick example of the output. As you can see, all the marker colors are now designated as green. For the VFX ID, there's a show code, an underscore for a TV separator, and the episode number, followed by the shot description which came through the Avid marker.